Want to customize the security settings on your Windows PC? Windows Security gives you several controls for antivirus protection, firewall settings, app safety, and device security. In this guide, I'll show you where the main settings are and how to change them safely. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app to open the main security dashboard. From here, you can access most of the built-in protection settings. Start with Virus and Threat Protection. Select Manage Settings under the Protection Settings section. Here you can review options such as real-time protection, cloud-delivered protection, and automatic sample submission. For most users, these should stay enabled. Next, open Firewall and Network Protection. Choose a network profile to review its firewall status. Keep Microsoft Defender Firewall enabled and use Allow an app through Firewall when a trusted application needs network access. Now open App and Browser Control. Select Reputation-Based Protection to review Smart Screen and potentially unwanted app settings. These features help protect against suspicious websites, downloads, and applications, so avoid disabling them without a specific reason. For another layer of file protection, open Virus and Threat Protection and find Ransomware Protection. Select Manage Ransomware Protection to review controlled folder access. When enabled, this feature can help prevent untrusted applications from modifying protected folders. Next, open Device Security. Depending on your hardware, you may see Security Processor, Secure Boot, and Core Isolation. These features use hardware and virtualization-based protections to help secure important parts of Windows. Account Protection lets you review sign-in security features, such as Windows Hello and Dynamic Lock. You can also open Settings, select Accounts, and choose sign-in options to manage available authentication methods. Windows Security can also send notifications when it detects threats or recommends an action. Open Windows Security Settings to review notification preferences. Keep important security alerts enabled so you don't miss something that needs attention. Before changing any security setting, make sure you understand what it does. Turning off protection can solve a temporary compatibility problem, but it can also reduce your security. If you're troubleshooting, restore the protection as soon as possible. And that's how to change the main Windows security settings. Keep essential protections enabled, allow only trusted apps, and review Windows recommendations when they appear. So yeah, a few careful adjustments can help balance security and convenience.